Welcome students. Statistics Chapter 3 Part 1 Linear Regression. We are studying the different sums of regression line. Students, as you all now aware and all know that to find the regression line we have to pass through 3 steps. Number 1, find out regression coefficient, that is called b, small b. Second is constant which is denoted by a, small a. And the third is regression line. Regression line is denoted by y cap. If asked, in most sums they ask to do the forecasting, then we have to put the values of x into the regression line and we can do the forecasting also. And if sometimes in some questions they ask about the error y minus y cap, then we have to find the error also. So let's take the next practice sum of linear regression. Students, please open your textbook. Textbook page number 124, exercise 3.1 and sum number 3. Here the question is with me. The information for a year regarding the average rainfall in centimeter and total production of crop in tons of 5 districts is given below. Students, they provide us 2 variables. Number 1, average rainfall that we denote by x, and second is crop that we mention by y. Average rainfall is given in centimeter while the crop is provided in tons. In average rainfall it is 25, 32, 38, 29 and 31. And in crop it is 84, 90, 90, 95, 88 and 93. Students, what we have to do first? First of all, we have to find the value of x bar and y bar. The simple formula of x bar is sigma x upon n and the y bar is sigma y upon n. For sigma x, we have to do the total of the column of x, and that is 155. So x bar is equals to sigma x upon n, 155 upon 5. 5 pairs are there, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 31. Y bar is sigma y upon n, sigma y is 450 upon 5 pairs are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 450 upon 5, 90. Both the x bar and y bar, students, are integer, not in fraction, not in point. 31 and 90, 90. So immediately it is click in our mind that we have to apply the Karl Pearson's product moment formula, that is the formula of x minus x bar, y minus y bar, to find the regression line in such type of question. In linear correlation, when we apply the x minus x bar method, students, we have to prepare additional 5 columns. X minus x bar, y minus y bar, multiplication of both, that is x minus x bar and y minus y bar, x minus x bar square and y minus y bar square. But in linear regression, students, we have to prepare only additional 4 columns. X minus x bar, y minus y bar, multiplication of both, that is x minus x bar into y minus y bar, and x minus x bar square. No need to prepare, students, here the column of y minus y bar square, because as we all know that there is no any application in the formula of y minus y bar square. So no need to prepare that particular column. Now x minus x bar. From all the values of x, we have to deduct value of x bar. The value of x bar here is 31 and the value of y bar is 9090. From all the values of x, we deduct x bar, and from all the value of y, we deduct y bar, one by one. So 25 minus 31, the answer is minus 6. 32 minus 31, it is 1. 38 minus 31, 7. 29 minus 31, minus 2. 31 minus 31, 0. Plus total, minus total. The answer is always 0. X minus x bar is also always 0. Y minus y bar is also 0. Deviations taken from mean, sum of the deviations taken from mean is always 0. Minus 6 and minus 2, it is 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8 minus 8, 0. Same way, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Multiplication of both columns. X minus x bar into y minus y bar. See, when I check the paper, the 12th standard students also do the simple or silly mistake. It is the simple basic rule which we studied in standard 5th basic maths. Minus into minus got plus. Plus into plus got plus. Not each and every student made the mistake. So don't take it personally. But when I saw the paper, few papers, they do the simple and silly mistake in your test papers. They don't know even that plus into minus is minus, minus into plus minus. That's why I have to explain when I explain the sum to you. So many students still make the mistakes. In the Sunday's paper also, the papers are with me for checking. When I check the paper, when I start the paper, checking the paper, then small mistakes are done by the students. Remember, my dear friends, in statistics, it is not too much hard, but your concentration and your focus must be there in your studies. While you are doing the sums in examination, whether it is the test of your school or whether you are doing the board examination, your concentration or focus must be there in your sums only. No other work or no any other thought here and there is going on during that particular time. So here x minus x bar into y minus y bar, multiplication of both the column. Minus 6 into minus 6, and answer is 36. Minus plus. 1 into 0, 0. 7 into 5, 35. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus plus, so it is 4. 0 into 3, 0. Do the total of the column, that is 36 plus 35 plus 4, 75. The last column is x minus x bar, the whole square. Square of minus 6, 36. Square of 1, that is 1. Square of 7, 49. Square of minus 2, 4. Square of 0, that is 0. Do the total of x minus x bar square column, that is 9090. Now raw material is ready with us. To find the regression line, students, main 3 steps. Our first step is regression coefficient, and that is denoted by B. The formula of B is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar square. Sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar means total of the column. Sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. That is, total is 75. upon sigma x minus x bar square means total of the last column, that is 9090. 75 divided by 90, final answer of B is 0.83. First step. The second step, my dear friends, is constant. The formula for constant is A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 9090, here it is, minus byx. Byx means b. Earlier it was right because there are two regression lines are there, y on x and x on y. So we write byx. So byx, or you can write b also, both are same, into x bar. 90 minus byx or b is 0.83, x bar is 31, here it is 31. 90 minus 0.83 into 31, that is 25.73. 90 minus 25.73 is 64.27. After getting the constant, we have to find the regression line. The formula for regression line, students, is y cap is equals to a plus bx. The answer of A is 64.27 plus B. The answer of B is 0.83x. So 64.27 plus 0.83x is our regression line. Last step, if they ask for forecasting, let's see from the question whether they ask for forecasting or not. Yes, they ask for forecasting. The last sentence is find the regression line of production of crop on rainfall. Production of crop means y, on rainfall means x. So it is y on x. That's why I am writing b by x. Y on x. And estimate. This estimate is called forecasting, students. The crop, if average rainfall is 35 centimeter. Average rainfall is provided, average rainfall is x, and x is provided 35. So we have to find the value of crop, that is y. So x is equals to 35. We put the value of x into the regression line, that is 64.27 plus 0.83x. X we take 35. So 64.27 plus 0.83 into 35. 0.83 into 35, the final answer is 29.05. So 64.27 plus 29.05, the answer is 93.32. But when we want to get the full marks, we have to write, my dear clever students, we have to write that when the average rainfall is 35 centimeter, then the crop is 93.32 tons. Why tons? Because it is provided in tons. So by this way, students, we can get the forecasting also from regression line. Now, as per our tradition method, we take the fast recap of the whole sum. That's why you can easily focus and calculate the sum. The sum is of linear regression, exercise 3.1, sum number 3, page number 124. Here is the full focus. That's why you can write properly. Two columns they provide. Average rainfall is X and the crop is Y. First we do the total of X column and Y column, 155, 450. Then we find X bar and Y bar, 155 divided by 5, 450 divided by 5. Both the value of X bar and Y bar are integer, not in fraction, not in point. It is 31 and 90. So we decide to apply the method of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. We prepare additional 4 columns, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, multiplication of both, that is x minus x bar into y minus y bar, and x minus x bar square. In regression, no need to prepare the column of y minus y bar square. In correlation, additional 5 columns. In regression, additional 4 columns. After preparing the column, we apply the different steps. Our first step, students, is regression coefficient, that is b, sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar square. So we got the answer of b, that is 0.83. Second step we find, that is constant. The constant is denoted by a. A means y bar minus byx into x bar. We put the value of y bar, x bar and byx or b. Then we got the answer of constant. After constant, our third step is regression line, that is y cap is equals to a plus bx. Then we got the regression line 64.27 plus 0.83 x. And the last step is forecasting. Forecasting means the value of x is provided. Here in this particular sum, the value of x is given 35. So we put that value of x into the linear regression line equation. X is equals to 35 is there, and we got the answer, that is 93.32. We have to write at last that if the average rainfall is 35 centimeter, then the crop is 93.32 tons. So students, by this way you all can do the sums of this type by yourself also. Do maximum practice of linear regression and linear correlation. Stay home, stay safe, and do practice maximum of accountancy and statistics. Thank you for your cooperation. Thanks to all students. Thank you so much.